What if you could analyze huge data sets instantaneously? Run scenarios not hundreds, but thousands of times. Bring teams together to radically reduce time to market, all while increasing productivity. You might think you owned a supercomputer, and in today's on-demand world, it can feel like you need one, just to get the detailed results, always faster, always more accurately, that make you competitive in the marketplace. The good news? IT components you may already own: mainframes, Unix servers, Intel servers, databases, storage systems, even desktop computers and workstations harbor enormous untapped processing and storage power. Power you can easily start pulling together and dedicating to your most pressing business problems. This is IBM Grid Computing. How does grid computing unleash the power of existing systems? The typical IT deployment. Before grid. A powerful application runs on a designated server. During peak cycles, that server can get overworked and the application can slow, wait, even stall. Meanwhile, a large data set, which this application is analyzing, lives in a single data store. Server capacity and access to the data store place extreme limitations on how quickly output can be returned. Cycles on other servers are sitting idle. Unused disk capacity remains unavailable. In a grid deployment, workload can be broken up and sent in manageable pieces to idle server cycles. A scheduler sets rules and priorities for routing the job. When servers and storage are enabled for grid, copies of the data can be stored in formerly unused space and made easily available. Some grids focus on data federation and availability. Others focus on computing speed. Many involve a combination of the two. Either way, results can be outputted in near real time, on demand. For users, all infrastructure complexity stays completely hidden. The feeling is simple and seamless. And this simple grid deployment can be scaled to bring in other applications with new data, both within and across organizations. Teams come together to get better answers to difficult questions. Daunting problems yield immediate results. Gains in speed and accuracy, without significant cost increases, translate to real competitive advantages in the marketplace. How can your business reap the benefits of grid computing? Step by step. An IBM Grid Innovation Workshop can help focus strategies and develop designs for building and deploying a grid of any size and type, for enterprise optimization or business analytics, large or small, for a single department or scaled across the enterprise. When an automotive company runs multiple crash test scenarios, it must analyze an enormous volume of critical data. There's no margin for error, but plenty of pressure to get new designs to market fast. IBM services are focused on matching the IT environment with the business's needs. There are many technology options and combinations, so the trick is to meet short-term business needs while aligning with a longer-term strategic direction. Sometimes the range of options may appear large. For the automotive company, the choice of workload management software could include IBM Load Leveler or workload management products from IBM Business Partners. Grid middleware and data management choices could encompass the open-source Globus Toolkit, IBM DB2 Information Integrator, Total Storage Virtualization family, and middleware from our ISV Business Partners. Existing computing infrastructure could be augmented through additional server capacity using IBM eServer P-Series, Z-Series, X-Series, as well as additional storage from IBM Total Storage. IBM has in-depth experience and expertise to help the company select, plan, and implement the most appropriate grid strategy and solution. The automotive company has customized its own IBM Grid offering for engineering design. IBM has equally flexible solutions aligned with each business sector and focused on specific business problems. What computing and data challenges are facing your business? How ready is your compute and IT infrastructure to meet those challenges? To get started with IBM Grid Computing today, you can review all of the IBM Grid solutions at www.ibm.com/grid.